Hello. Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow, till you find your dream. This is a sentence that personifies about your dream or your something that is really great in your life to come true and that you wish for. I have taken these lines from a poem that has been given in the book Follow Every Rainbow by Rashmi Bansal. Here we are going to discuss about this book and the various concepts that are discussed by the writer. Rashmi Bansal is an entrepreneur and author who has been born and brought up in Mumbai and is a graduate from IIM Ahmedabad. Stay hungry, stay foolish, I have a dream are some of her notable works. Now let's discuss about this book, Follow Every Dream, and some of the key concepts discussed that made us closer as a reader. It basically discussed the story of 25 enterprising women who has faced many extremities and challenges in their life and have overcome that to make their livelihood and life a grand success. All the story and the category of the women is divided into three, that is Lakshmi, Durga and Saraswati. Lakshmi is the story of some of the Lakshmis of the home who has brought in wealth and prosperity to the home by cooperating with the family members into their business, because success is not something you seek for yourself, it is sweeter only when it is shared. Now the next part is Saraswati, that is the goddess of education, the women who are making their identity beyond the traditional roles and they are finding a way from within and without to enjoy themselves. The next and the last goddess is Durga, that is the god of survival. They rise to challenges, slaying all demons within and out to uphold themselves or the morals that they hold. The first person discussed is Meena Bindra, who is a 39-year-old Navy wife and who has started a business at her own risk to make some pocket money and has become rich and successful with that. The woman named Ranjana, who started an online call center to direct and generate leads for her husband's direct wing. Premalata Agarwal, who is a 48-year-old housewife from Jamshedpur and the oldest Indian woman to scale the Mount Everest. It's her grit and determination that made her success come true and cross her all the barriers. Jasu Shilpi, who is a Bihari woman and a sculptor by profession, has entered this profession only because Michelangelo said that sculpture is not women's work. Shikha Sharma, who has come up with a NutriHealth system factory. Deepa Soman, who is the owner of an IT solution business company, and Amina, the owner of PJP Industries, are some of the Saraswatis discussed in this chapter. Now let's discuss the concepts that the author has put forward to the readers through these examples of various women in various chapters and various circumstances that we have gone through. And some of them are whatever extremities you have to face it with a clean and good heart and a long-term willingness to fight it through and support your family. The next thing the author have to say that age is not a barrier. Whenever you feel you have to start, whether it be your 50s or 60s or maybe it can be your 80s, but still if you have a mind, you have to start, and once you start, you have to go on with that path to succeed. And whichever woman or anybody in this world who tries to be in their path at any age have no chances of failure. Next is stereotyping, that the society has a common norm that men are supposed to do some job and women are not supposed to. The author has given some examples just to prove that there is no such concepts that women are not accessible to certain jobs or certain areas of their interest. Finally, what I have to say after reading this book is that these are not just some common examples around the country that the author has put forward for us to show that there are certain women around the globe that they have fought back with the circumstances in their life and they have become successful. Is it like that? But no, never. It's just an example to show other women that if they wish, they too can be successful in their life. If they wish, they too can find a path of happiness. If they wish, they too can strive hard and make a livelihood of their own. Louisa May Alcott, author of the book Little Woman, once said that I am not afraid of the storm, for I am learning how to sail my ship. This is the message that has been put forward by Rashmi Bansal also through the book Follow Every Rainbow. Whatever circumstance we have, whatever pain we are going through, whatever challenges we face, whoever is standing as a barrier in front of us, all we have to do is just move on. Just make it as a milestone for our success and sail our ship through any hardest storm.